Let's see how to introduce templates in StruBIM Cyphe 3D. These templates will serve as a reference for introducing elements into the model. We start by clicking on the Edit Templates button in the top toolbar. We access the Template Views Manager window. To create a template view, we click on Add. If it is the first template we are adding to the model, the Selection of Templates to Read window will open, where we can search for the desired files. These files should contain the information strictly necessary for working in the program, and the drawings should be suitably scaled and positioned. Once the template files have been selected and opened, they will be added to the table in the Available Files window. Here we can add other files, delete one of them, or delete all the elements from the list. In the same window, with Layer Manager, we can make the layers of the selected file visible, change the layer name, its colour, the pen thickness by entering the value of its thickness in millimeters whenever necessary, and activate visible texts as well as the possibility to snap. With the Update File option, we can include the changes made to the file later on, and then re-import the information from the platform to our job. Once we accept, we return to the Template Views Manager. A template view will be generated automatically for each imported file. We can control the visibility for any of them by using Visible and Light. In the Layers of the View table below, we control the visibility of the layers in the selected template view. Among the options at the top, we can copy, delete template views, and move the selected element up or down the list. The following button allows us to access the transformation panel. Here we can select the visible area, change the origin of the coordinates, and adjust the scale of the template. At the bottom, we type in the numbers for the displacement and scale parameters in the X and Y axes, or apply a rotation angle. If we wish to add more template files to our job, we will do so with the Import Templates to the Job tool. We can also obtain and save a GXF file with the information from a group of drawings and import it into another job. We click Accept. Now we must make the template visible in the model. To do this, we click on the Edit Views button in the top toolbar. This allows us to access the View Selection table, where checking the box in the Selected column will make the desired template view visible in the active window, either in 3D or in 2D. We accept to save the changes. As can be seen, the template view we have activated is displayed in the job drawing of the view. From now on, we will use the Template Object Snaps option to activate or deactivate object snaps from the template view during the drawing process. In the window, we can activate object snaps and activate object snap tracking. Among the available object snaps, we find point, endpoint, insertion point, center, perpendicular, parallel, midpoint, intersection, quadrant, nearest, and extension. Finally, we click Accept. When entering any element into the structure, we can use the different object snaps. The program will display the symbol of the object snap when the pointer passes over the elements in the template view.